E minor to A major. Here we go. 1, 2, ready, go. 2, 3, 4. This time I'm using fingers 2 3s. 2, 3, 4. Because it just lines up. It's right there for me. It makes more sense for me to do this one now because they're already there. See how they line up nicely? If I go to this one, there's a little more of a hand shift going on. Path of least resistance for me. 2, 3. And plus it's nice in this instance to hear those as many strings ring out as possible. 2, 3, 4. 2, 3. Back to E minor. 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. Three, 4. 2, 3, 4. 2. See that? The second and third finger, they're just hopping back and forth between these strings. The next set of adjacent strings. Now the next set of adjacent strings down. Now they're moving to the next set of adjacent strings up, and we just add the pinky. 3, 4. 2, 3, 4.